This is our backyard monster truck downhill champion, Monster Canyon. We're now having a face-off between all beefed up, beefy, and the Oscar Mayer Wiener, the hot dog monster truck. It's the ultimate barbecue monster truck challenge, hot dog versus hamburger. Okay. Make sure your fingers not covering up the camera, and make sure you can see everyone and the finish line. Get over there. You get over that side. Okay, ref, can you see us?
Yes.
Okay, give the countdown. Don't
1,
until he says go.
2, 3, go.
Oh, Burger wins! Hold on, does that count? The hot dog
Yes.
fell off the course.
Yes, it counts.
Let's have best 2 out of 3. Okay, film it again. Best 2 out of 3. Go. Yeah, count.
1, 2, 3, go.
Oh, that time I got stuck. Look.
Doesn't count.
No, it does count. We both got stuck once. Show it. See? All right, now this is the championship. Okay, it was stuck here. Now this is the championship match. Burger versus hot dog. The series is all tied up at 1. Okay, Hannah, just leave it there. It's okay.
1,
No, wait till she's ready.
1, 2, 3, go.
Oh, no. Hot dog wins.